everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today is a follow-up video. So the other day I did a video about whether or not I should change the name of this channel. And boy, did I get some feedback. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I talked about what this channel is all about and how I kind of feel that I had to go check out what that big noise was. I'm here by myself, kind of got spooked. Something just fell. Everything's okay. Anyway, where was I? I was talking about this channel and how I feel that maybe some people don't really get it. But I was wrong. Y'all get it. And I am so grateful for that. I think it's because we're all creators and we're all makers. So it's probably not necessarily you that don't get it. It's YouTube that doesn't get it. So before I looked to see what y'all's feedback was, I was doing a little bit investigating and I came across something I had never heard of. How many of you have ever heard of Hobbymaxxing? So I guess it's a new thing, but I'll be honest with you, it's really not that new. So when I Google search it, it says Hobbymaxxing, all one word, by the way, is a 2026 lifestyle trend where people intentionally pack their weekly calendars with tactile, analog, and skill-based activities, such as pottery, ceramics, running clubs, cooking classes, to actively replace doom scrolling and digital burnout with real-world experiences. Very interesting, huh? So for those of us who are crafters or makers or whatever you want to call us, we do a lot. And you know what? I wrote a list of all the things that I like to do. And maybe I'm hobbymaxing. So I play the mountain dulcimer. I am part of a group where we play and we perform at the library and different community activities. We actually even have 3 albums out. How about that? Sometimes when I use music in the background of my videos, that's us, the mountain dulcimer group, playing in the background. Not every video, but a lot of them. Dance. I'm a part of 3 different dance groups. We got the Louisiana Lunatics, and I've got Southern Sass, and there's another smaller group up at the Senior Center. And those are really good activities to be involved with. It helps with fitness, helps with the mind too, because you got to remember your choreography. And then a quick run through with other things that I do address on this channel quite frequently. Well, jewelry making, that's actually on my other channel, Jewelry Making with Tappingflamingo. But we've got bead crafts, shell crafts, holiday crafts, polymer clay, paper, sewing, doll collecting, crochet, slow stitch, cooking, gardening. My son has chickens, so every once in a while I'll talk about that. My other son has beehives, so I've talked about that. Travel, homeschooling, and even volunteering. Did you know that there are 3 rules to hobbies? I think they call it the 3 hobby rules. And actually, I found there's 5 rules. So we have the 3 rules are something to make money, something to stay fit, and something to be creative. If you go to the 5, number 4 would be to grow your mind and to stay connected, find peace. And honestly, all of those, all of my hobbies that I have, I look at them as a type of therapy. And I think most of us do look at our hobbies as a type of therapy. I have a close friend of mine who dances. She has a family member that's just been diagnosed with something really bad. Everybody has told her, oh, you need to take some time. Take time off. You'll feel better. And you know what she said? She said, I can't do that because dance is my happy place. And that's how I think a lot of us feel about our activities and about our hobbies. It's our happy place. So for the time being, I am going to keep my name as Be Creative with Terry Jeanette. It is a creative lifestyle, but it is also hobbymaxing. So I'll probably be talking about hobbymaxing a lot. And let me know down in the comment section below. Have you ever heard of hobbymaxing? What do you think about it? Look it up. It's kind of interesting. Thanks for joining me, and thank you so much for all of your input and your support. I appreciate it more than any of you could ever realize. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.